Hi guys, how are we today? Brand new pair of Jordan shoes here. Just been delivered the other day. There's the box right there. Let's open them up. Okay. There we are. Now these are Jordans, obviously. These are the Airjordan 4 Retro. Okay, let's have a look. First time out of the box. And there we are. Beautiful looking shoe. Jordan Flight. It's got like a suede-ish feel to it. The shoe, yellow, sort of greyish here, black on the shoelaces. We got inside here, but all up, very nice shoe, retro Jordan shoe. There's the left one. There we are again. So they look great. Great together. Box comes this limited yellow, and we've got yellow inside there. This nice paper. That's inside. That's the back. So yeah, so they are the brand new Airjordan 4 Retros. Yeah, all up. Very nice shoe. So alright guys, if you can get your hands on a pair, I highly recommend it. I'm not sure if I'm going to wear these. I may, but I think I'll just keep these as collectible ones, I think. Being yellow, oh, you know, you get a mark on one of these and you have a heart attack. So I think I'll just tuck these ones away for the time being anyway. But anyway, all right guys, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe, and I'll definitely put some more Jordan content up soon. But yeah, there they are, the retro Air Jordans. Thanks guys, I'll catch you later, and bye for now. See ya.